Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Regency La Toc. Now this particular category is an Emerald Honeymoon Oceanview. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you enter the door, you've got your storage here on the left. So you've got an iron and ironing board in there, golf umbrella, you're also gonna have extra pillows and blankets, and you have your safe in there as well. Directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. I did want to point out that they've got a door that will shut for privacy. You've got the toilet tucked around the corner here. You're gonna have your vanity right here as well, a large backlit mirror, magnifying mirror, those full-size amenities from the Red Lane Spa, and extra towels underneath. Now you have your step-in shower. You can see it's been recently renovated, and I love that it's big enough for even me to move around in. You've got your shower head and an extra nook for your amenities as well. As soon as you enter the bedroom area, I wanted to point out you've got a butler's pantry right here. Underneath, you're gonna have a fully stocked mini fridge with beer, wine, sodas, juices, and bottled water. And you have a coffee maker, and there's a tea kettle as well. They'll replenish the coffee and tea throughout your stay. Now over here, I did want to point out this unique feature. You've got a peekaboo through to the shower. Now if you want the extra level of privacy, all you have to do is shut that. As we enter the bedroom, you can see they have a large king-size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. On one side of the bed, you're gonna have your writing desk, also doubles as a nightstand. You've got 2 US plugs, 2 USB chargers, and because we're in St. Lucia, you've got a UK one as well. On the other side, you've got a US and a UK plug, along with a Bluetooth speaker. You've got a fan up ahead, I really appreciate that. And you also have your flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, in addition to watching television. More storage underneath. In the far corner, you're gonna have a reading chair. And then right here, you have your love seat with a coffee table. Perfect place to have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a glass of wine in the evening, and take advantage of the beautiful views. Now, all of the rooms here are in the Emerald building, and as you go further back, you have slightly different views, but you can see the ocean from each and every one. Now, if you want to see the rest of this stunning resort, make sure that you check out our full resort tour. We also have the other rooms and suites as well. Now, in addition, because this is a stay at 1, play at 3 style here in St. Lucia, that means that you can also take advantage of the other 2 Sandals resorts. We have those resort tours for you to check out in addition. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.